Welcome back. In this section, we are going to look into Kafka Producer Performance Test.sh. The Kafka Producer Performance Test tools enables you to produce a large quantity of data to test producer performance for the Kafka cluster. So in this example, we are going to generate a topic with 200k records, that is 200k records, and record size will be 1k and throughput will be 1000k, and this will be generated automatically. So it's basically for testing the performance, and the data is dynamically generated. The data is test data. So to understand more in detail, let's move to the practical demonstration of it. So let's get started. So we are going to perform Kafka Producer Performance Test.sh topic JSON files. JSON files topic is already available, and we are going to insert records, 200k records in that topic with the record size as 1000. Throughput is 1000k, and these are the parameters: producer, proportion, bootstrap server, localhost 9092. So automatically 200k records will be generated, and it will be sent to topic JSON files. So here you can see records are being generated. So after record generation, we will consume the records and we will see how it performs. So here you can see 200k records have been generated. Now we will consume it. So these are the generated records from the above statement. So at the end, when we press Ctrl C, you will see 200k messages were consumed. So let's wait to finish this. So once the consumption from the console is completed, we will see that message. So I think it will be finished in few seconds. So this number of records were automatically generated. So this is used for performance testing and data generation. So I have choose the topic name as JSON files. You can write any topic name. It was just because I have specified the JSON files. But it has nothing to do with JSON files. The topic name was chosen as JSON files. So if I press Ctrl C, you can see processed a total of 200k messages. So this is how we use Kafka Producer Performance Test.sh. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.